Live your life with a can-do attitude. Believe in yourself. Please believe in yourself. Gotta know Santa came early this year. Thanks for making this suggestion. It works like a charm. Stainless steel top that we cut to fit, making a pizza-sized tabletop. This bad boy still showed up and performed like a true champion. We do work for like, shares, comments. Also remember to subscribe to the channel. Check out the about section. There's quite a bit available in the about section of Empower by Roots and channel that you can partake in. Want to secure these things together with some tape. Everything Pittsburgh in action today. And these type of joints, I normally put recto seal instead of Teflon tape because it's holding gas. Artwork. Okay, Belize's first football selection was somewhat in an infancy and a tiny division when it first got started. So the first organized football organization team in the great nation of British Honduras was situated in Belize City, founded in 1919. Then it was just inner city football organization. After a great season, and it took flight in Belize City as in the 1919 Football Federation, Intercity Football Federation. Later on, it's expanded into inter-district championship that took flight and had its foundation settled and situation in the year 1970. Local players never had the opportunity to elevate themselves and transcend on a grand scale for international football playing in the great nation of British Honduras back in the time. They did have the opportunity to play one international game during 1928. I wasn't smart enough to like Google where that game was held. So during that time, they had several international games where the players here went abroad internationally just to represent the great nation of British Honduras. Later on, they had the opportunity to excel on a much grander scale. After Belize gained its independence in 1981, Belize joined the CONCACAF Federation in 1986. Mid 20th century, players like great players like ooh, I miss it. This is the original and real worm drive that you should purchase. This is the one that they use for concrete framing, and it's the best worm drive to purchase. It's the best one. This is the official one as well. So you got Gilbert Hernandez, better known as Pine, was one of Belize footballer that represents the great nation of British Honduras during the mid 20th century. So Gilbert Ellis was another great football player that represents British Honduras. Chico was his pet name or nickname. I wasn't clever enough to do fact checking and figure out where these guys were from, which district or what part of Belize they're from. If you're trying to figure out how to split something like this in half, right? Just find center.
Somewhere here, though.
No, that's where I'm gonna cut it.
Oh shit, I just watched the cartoon.
Find center, you will be gone. Just find center, and then you have these different things that you can use as a guide to mark. Switching over to woodworking now. Then there's Ernest Wilson Red. Trying to put in these corner blocks to straighten up the table. Another great player was Wilfred Palmer. Is Palmery was his pet name, and Davis is his last name. Then you have Louis Garbott, Mugger is his pet name, and this next that squad was from that I called out there was from the 1920s. The next squad that I'm going to highlight and call out now is from 1945 All-Star squad. Telford, Vernon or Veron, Ver, Veron, Ray Canton, Otto Trench, Bill Usher, Freddie, Leslie, Jim Stevens, and those are from the 1945 All-Star selection. That's not all the players, but those are the ones that shine and shine like a supernova. Then there's a 1970 superstar selection, Maurice Jones. I think it's Richo was his pet name. For his era, Jones hailed as one of Belize's greatest strikers. Then you have Anthony Anthony Adderley or Anthony Adderley. Garincha was his pet name. Arthur Leslie Goatman was his pet name. Leslie was a crafty and smart baller and striker. Then you have Orino, Buck Palacio, Tash Gutierrez, Cristobal Mayen, Rupert Anderson, and his pet name was Cantale. Anderson was a legendary goalkeeper. Earl Mandingo Bennett, Mandingo was his pet name. Sam Gentle, James Adderley, and Nick Dijon was a super great goalkeeper, and later on he became a lawyer, a real professional lawyer. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Thanks to all those who views and keep on viewing and making the channel a major and huge success. Greatly appreciate you guys watching, and feel free to hit like, share, and comment. Feel free to place your comment. We welcome it.